The result of mechanical up-degree regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been sensational, particularly for digital currencies. The people who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the individuals who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is SushiSwap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 109 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of SushiSwap, has taken care of the steady ascent sought after of the financial backers. The computerized guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the SushiSwap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of SushiSwap. Conceptualized by gourmet specialist Nomi, the SushiSwap project is an AMM. The whole unbiased behind the production of this SushiSwap cryptographic money was to work with clients to make liquidity pools and collect awards consequently as Sushi computerized resources. Sushi is the local badge of the SushiSwap decentralized trade. Taking a gander at the moderate force in the cost of SushiSwap, it merits seeing how the value outline of SushiSwap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered useful benefits. SushiSwap works with gains, yet constructs trust. SushiSwap's portion-empowered comfort as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and naturally suspected pioneers. In view of the SushiSwap gauge, the year 2023 may give a descending push to SushiSwap, taking it to 5 cents temporarily. With a 5-year speculation, the income might be depreciated from here on out. As per the most recent long-haul SushiSwap cost estimate, Sushi cost will hit $1.79 before the current year's over and afterward $2 toward the finish of 2024. The cost of SushiSwap will ascend to $4.77 inside the year 2030. SushiSwap value expectation 2023. The capability of SushiSwap is additionally encouraged by the powerful help region presented by wealthy Chinese business people, being discussed consistently. The cost of SushiSwap have demonstrated dynamism and variance at the same time. Consequently, taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value forecasts, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood indeed because of fastidious arranging system being vertically at $2.40 by 2023 N. Sushi value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of SushiSwap misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation conjecture for 2024 shows that the value change of SUSHI-USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a higher development rate inside the following year. The typical cost will reach to $2.63 and the most extreme value level could reach $2.80. SushiSwap value expectation 2025. SushiSwap specialized examination and SushiSwap figure likewise demonstrate that the crypto market will astonish its fans by fixing the future cost of SushiSwap at $3.20 by 2025. The typical cost during 2025 will be around $3.60 and the most extreme value level may be around $3.90. SushiSwap value forecast 2026. While the critical improvements have affected the SushiSwap cost, pushing them in a positive heading, the cryptographic money market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. The typical Sushi cost is anticipated to reach $4.10 in 2026. The base and most extreme value levels may be around $4 and $4.90. Separately, SushiSwap value conjecture 2027. According to the Sushi coin cost forecast, the cost of Sushi is supposed to cross the degree of $4.50. SushiSwap is projected to arrive at least value level of $4.15. Likewise, the Sushi cost might raise a ruckus around town value level of $5. SushiSwap expectations 2028. SushiSwap cost could cross $5.20 according to the Sushi forecast 2028. The cost of SushiSwap is projected to arrive at least degree of $4.80. Additionally, the Sushi cost might raise a ruckus around town value level of $5.70. Sushi value forecast 2029. In light of Sushi crypto cost expectation 2029, SushiSwap might exchange above $5.90 before the year's over. The cost of sushi swap is gauged to arrive at least degree of $5.40. Besides, the sushi cost holds probability to stretch around the most extreme value level of $6.20. Sushi swap value expectation 2030 as indicated by Sushi Cost Forecast 2030. Sushi swap cost might exchange towards $6.50 before the year's over. Sushi swap is anticipated to arrive at least value level of $6.30. And the sushi cost could stretch around the most extreme value level of $7 toward the finish of 2030. Sushi swap. Opening the potential sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity. The whole foundation of sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing sushi. They can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This component of sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary standards. Check here are other crypto cost expectations. Is sushi swap a wise speculation? In view of sushi swap cost expectations, and in actuality, yes. As per essentials of unwavering quality and strong openness of liquidity, sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital money world. On a critical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will definitely stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will sushi swap coin cost reach $5? Remarkable or unstable development according to the momentary sushi swap cost forecasts. Sushi coin cost might be a misrepresentation. Nonetheless, the sushi token has tremendous potential, and by 2027, the sushi swap might raise a ruckus around town mark. What are the sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with sushi. These prizes make sushi an appealing purchase. Normally, financial backers and merchants all over the planet get urged to put resources into the brilliant possibilities related with it, encircled by numerous collusions. Sushi swap likewise grows its base with limited time measures. Client is lord in sushi swap's reality. And the marking programs give to clients prizes and money bonuses through contests as well. I can't move my sushi to trade in time. What to do? With Sushi Swap you are guaranteed of trade supporting the movement of sushi token. This no problem. You wouldn't experience any misfortunes. Sit tight for occasional relocations. Where to purchase Sushi Swap or sell and store sushi. As such, sushi token is accessible on completely regarded crypto trades. As respects putting away, the source is upheld by decentralized wallets. For example, MetaMask and Wallet Connect are suggested. Wallets are the most ideal ways to store as they straightforwardly get introduced in your program in practically no time and furthermore permit you the comfort of exchanging easily and quick withdrawal as well as the exchange of assets into your record. Is the sushi coin going up? According to the sushi swap cost estimates, the typical cost is supposed to exchange above $2 in the year 2023. What number of sushi swap coins are there? The sushi swap cost today is $1.10. The market cap is $244,077,563.60 and a maximum supply of 222,257,372 sushi coins. What will sushi swap cost be in 2025? According to the Sushi Cost Expectation 2025, there would be a huge value change and will